I'm managing all my customers and new leads with the help of CRM. And here as a CRM, I'm using HubSpot. And I also want to create a backup of all the contacts being added in my CRM from different sources towards my Google Sheets for my team members, because I can't share the direct access of my CRM account to all the team members, to the sales team specifically. So I want to create a specific backup with all the details of my leads, with my sales team, so that they can contact with the leads, they can update the status, track everything they can do with a sheet only. Okay. But manually, if I'll start creating the record of all my CRM contacts, it will be a difficult process for me. It will be time consuming. So I have decided to automate this process. So I have created a simple automation by connecting my HubSpot CRM and Google Sheets in such a way that every time a contact will be created in HubSpot, the record will be added with details in Google Sheets. Let me show you how it is actually going to work. So in front of you, when I'm going to add a new contact in CRM, I'm just adding it manually, but it could be from form submission. It could be directly with the help of any automation. Okay, like that. In each case, the automation is going to work. Latest customer, pabblytudes.com. And as soon as I'm going to create this contact with the details, here the contact is created, and here you can see automatically the data is recorded. Okay, in this way the automation is going to be working. I am going to share with you all the steps of creating this automation. Step by step you will learn, and with this you can create the automation for your business as well. You can create systematic records and backups of heavy data, large databases of all your CRM contacts in your Google Sheets. Let's get started. So I am directly on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. After login, I am here. Quickly, I'm going to click on this create workflow options to start building the workflow. And here I'm going to use my quick builder. Let me quickly start a new chat. With the help of this quick builder, a single line prompt can create a complete workflow for us. So whatever do you want to connect, you can simply enter those applications over here in a single line prompt in an easy way. So for example, here I just want to connect my HubSpot CRM with Google Sheets. So I will enter connect HubSpot CRM and Google Sheets. As soon as we have sent this message, it is asking which HubSpot CRM trigger should start this workflow. Now here I want every time a new contact is added to my HubSpot CRM, either directly or through form submission, I want to capture the response. So here I'm going to select new contact created. Which Google Sheets action would you like for add row? I want to add a new row every time the contact is added in my CRM for creating a backup. And here we have HubSpot and Google Sheets. Do you want to create the workflow, approve and create it, and open the workflow as it is ready? Now, as the workflow is ready, here quickly I'm going to build the connection between these applications now. So how to build the connection, that I'm going to show you. This is my HubSpot CRM. First of all, let's start building the connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect for creating a new contact. Okay, so let's simply click on connect. Keep logging to your HubSpot account, go towards add new connection. Here you have all the details, select your account. After choosing your account, you can see that the connection is built successfully. Okay, now here as soon as a new contact will be created in your HubSpot CRM account, instantly the response will be captured. And to capture the response, simply click on save and send test request button. When you will do that, it is waiting for the webhook response and a test response is received. Now I'm going to take you towards contact section of HubSpot, and manually in front of you, I'm going to add a new contact over here. And when the form will be submitted, the contacts will be directly added to my HubSpot CRM. In that case, also the workflow is going to work. But here in front of you, let me quickly add manually a contact. And as we will do that, the response will be directly captured inside Pabbly Connect. By using that response, we will be continuing with our further workflow. So let's say the email of this contact or this customer is new customer 45@pabblytudes.com. Let's say the first name is new and the last name is customer, and the phone number over here is for, let's say, India. Now I'm going to create this contact. As we have done that, I will be taking you back towards our Pabbly Connect account. And here you can see that we got the response with the same email timestamp. Here when we'll scroll down, we have the name and the contact number as well. Okay, not only the basic details, but if you want, you can also capture all the details such as lead status, lead cycle, etc. A lot more. Currently, I am keeping it basic. And now as we have built the connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect now and the response is also captured, we will be using the same response to create a record in our Google Sheet. So quickly select Google Sheets, and now we are going to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For building this connection, just go towards add new connection, click on sign in with Google, select your Google account in which you have your Google Sheets. Some permissions are asked, so just provide the permission, and the data is 100% safe, so do not worry. We just have to select the spreadsheet name. So this is my spreadsheet in which I want to create a record, CRM customers backup. So I'm going to select this from the drop down. As we have done that, all the fields are changed according to the columns as we have in our sheet: name, email, phone number, name, email, phone number. One by one, let's start entering the details over here. Now, to enter the data, I'm not going to type or copy and paste over here in these fields. I will be simply entering / we received the previous response, and here we have to provide the name. So type for the first name, you receive the first name with a space, type for the last name, and you have inserted the data. As we insert the data like this from the previous step, it becomes dynamic automatically with every new response. Now it is going to replace. So this is the method of mapping. Mapping is really very important if you want to automate the process. As in our case, we want every time a new contact is created in HubSpot, the data over here should replace, and every time a new record should be automatically created with the new details in our sheets. But if we will enter the data manually, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Then the automation will be of no use. Now in the similar manner, I'm going to map the email and all other details. After mapping all the details, let's simply click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, I will be taking you towards Google Sheets, and you can see that the response is captured automatically over here. You can customize it or format according to your requirements. And here, in this way, the record will be created for every lead, not only for the basic details, but you can add more details over here according to the contacts you have in your CRM and according to your business requirements. And then you can further track the contacts, track the customers from sheet as well. That will be easy for you. Also, you have a systematic backup record of all your contacts and your customers from CRM in this sheet. Okay. So you can also provide the access of this sheet to your team members if you do not want to provide them the access of actual CRM. And the team members could connect with your customers or with your leads directly through the sheet. They can also update later on the status of the lead, whether it is contacted, whether it is converted, whatever. Now, okay, so here in this way, we have created this amazing automation with just simple steps, with a simple connection between two of our work applications, CRM and our sheet. This automation is created not only in the Google Sheets, but if you want, you can also create the backup in Notion, Airtable, or your Excel. Okay, so I hope the automation is simple and clear to you. If you want Pabbly Connect, you can use my coupon code given on the left side of the screen and also available in my description. And when you will be using my coupon code to purchase Pabbly Connect or any of the application of Pabbly, you will be receiving highest exclusive discounts. Okay, so the checkout link for purchasing is given in the description. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you like the video, share it with your friends and family members or to the ones who need these kind of automations. And thank you for watching.